Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energy. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? Let's see. Libras, what's going on with my Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign? January 2022. Okay, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. So we have the Two of Pentacles as your overall energy. So could be busy, really busy into something. Not only busy with work, okay, it's not the physical busy what we feel, it's sometimes it's more like mental busyness or mental stress you could be taking right now. So let's see what it is. In the past we have King of Wands, Ace of Swords and Four of Swords. Things have started from the past only, I feel. Somewhere, there was unclarity because of certain situations. Could be a person with whom you are dealing with, or could be your own energy. Could be Leo, Sagittarius or Aries, but that person is making you feel really casual, okay? So if this is a relationship in which you are dealing with, this feels like that they are making you feel that they are in a casual relationship with you, where you are really gone into the relationship somewhere a lot. In the present, we have the Devil, Eight of Swords and the Moon energy. A lot of toxicity, I feel that this relationship has become really toxic with the Devil and the Moon energy, and you are afraid to take any decision now because you feel that you cannot move anywhere because they have made you so much of, somewhere it could be an addiction to them, or it could be something, some kind of secrets which you feel that they might not reveal those secrets. So that is why you are afraid of that thing. It could be for some of you only, but the things are really hidden in this situation. So could be dealing with a Scorpio or Pisces or Capricorn. In the coming future, we have Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Wands and Nine of Pentacles. I think you are leaving the situation. You are leaving a situation which does not make you feel happy, does not make you feel that you belong in that place. Some kind of a new journey you are starting. This is definitely your energy. Let me check now. Let's see what's up with my Libras. What's going on with the Two of Pentacles in the present energy, in the overall energy. Why Two of Pentacles is here? Queen of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. You could be married to this person and this person could be a Capricorn. But you feel that, this person is only for money, and you feel somewhere that, this person is for money and they will take all the money for those people who have money issues. For other people, it feels like they are trying to be with somebody else and they are leaving you out in the cold now. So it could be a third party for other people as well, and that is why you are really stressed because, and for some people it could be both of the things, okay, money as well as love, because you love this person and they are not ready for you. They are going somewhere else, or they do not want to stay here, and they are taking your money as well. So they want their money. So that's why you're feeling very tensed somewhere. This could be your person as well. So it can be vice versa. Just take as it resonates. Tell me about the Four of Swords in the past energy. The Moon, Emperor and Four of Wands. I feel that you could be dealing with a person who is very dominating, and a person who is trying to hide things. They have always hidden things from you and you always wanted some clarity. You always asked questions from them. They never answered you any questions. They're always like, hiding things and not telling you the exact answer, why they are doing this, what they are doing, where they are going, and always, and whenever you ask more about the questions, it was always like, dominating kind of a thing, that why are you asking questions to me? Who are you to ask these questions? And somewhere you have felt that you are being neglected in this relationship. Let me see your present energies. The devil energy, why is it here? Ace of Cups, strength, and the Sun. I feel that you have got some intuition and you felt that this person is finally saying, hiding things. I feel somewhere you knew something in the past, but you didn't, either you were not like, let's not think about it too much, let's just go with the flow. But when things started gaining momentum, so you felt that now it's not the time, I have to take some steps now. This could be a new relationship as well, like all of a sudden things gone from here to here, from it was a good before and all of a sudden it came down. They might have showed you their real characteristics. Might be dealing with a Leo over here. 8 of Swords, 6 of Swords, 3 of Swords, and the Hanged Man. So yes, so definitely there is a decision making which needs to be done, but because of some things in your life, you are not deciding as like exactly right now. You are somewhere, you're trying to move away from this situation, but not ready to take a step so fast. Yes, you are really thinking a lot. Tell me about the Moon energy in the present. 5 of Wands, the Lovers, and Ace of Wands. I feel that with some of you, your parents or some other people have also involved in this situation of yours, and many people have started noticing what is going on between both of you, and they are always advising you to do this and do that, go here and go there to make your relationship look good. So you could be doing that as well because you want this relationship to work. Ace of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, 8 of Cups, the Chariot, and King of Cups. I feel that somebody is going to help you out in this situation. Could be a Cancer or a Scorpio, a water sign who will help you out from the situation. Okay, like whatever decision you need to take, if it's moving away, if it's changed, because somebody is changing priorities in this situation, like moving away from the bad things and going towards something good, something better, which is waiting for you over there. 10 of Wands, let's see. 5 of Swords, the Empress, and 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, you are asking for bigger growth and stability in life. You do not want those people in your life who are manipulative in nature, who are always talking lies and telling lies to you, talking shit to you. Okay, so you do not want that. You are asking for stability, and somebody is trying to offer you some stability in the future. So either you know this person already, could be a friend from long period of time, could be a Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see why the 9 of Pentacles is here. Sorry, I'm not. Okay, I'll take this. Pisces also, Pisces or Libra, it can also be. Okay, so the High Priestess, 8 of Pentacles, and King of Swords. But before, so no matter who will offer you any stability, no matter what this person is, from where this person is coming, you are going to give one more shot to this relationship of yours somewhere. Yeah, but it feels like this is going to be your last shot now for a relationship. But yeah, you have that hope again, no matter whatever you're going through, what they have done, because there was love, a lot of love in this relationship, and you do not feel like ending this relationship too sudden. But at the same time, you are in the middle of taking the decision, but still, let's just say, okay, I'm going to give one more shot, one chance, but if nothing happens, I will just move away from this thing now. So yeah, this is that decision making, in the middle of a decision making you are in. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.